In order to start trading, you first must transfer Bitcoin from your wallet to your trading account. Click Fund Trading Account in the Account section. Specify the amount you want to transfer and click Transfer. Once the funds are available in your trading account, you're ready to place your first trade. Go to the trading terminal by clicking on the Trade section in the menu above. PrimeXBT trading platform, in contrast to other cryptocurrency exchanges, allows you to profit from both rising and falling markets. If you believe that a particular asset will grow in price, you should open a buy order or go long. If you predict a drop in the price of an asset, you have to open a sell order or go short. There are several ways to place an order on the PrimeXBT trading platform, due to the fact that you can customize your platform layout by adding the necessary widgets to the workspace. You can place an order by clicking the Trade button next to the instrument you're willing to trade in the Watch List widget, by clicking on the Buy or Sell buttons at the top of the Chart widget, by clicking on the Buy Order or Sell Order buttons in the Dashboard widget, or by right-clicking on the chart of the asset you're interested in. In the New Order window, specify the amount of the order you are willing to place. Choose the type of the order, market, limit, stop, or an OCO order. A market order is an order to be executed immediately at first available market price. Traders use this order type when they have an urgent execution need. Market order is the default choice in order form after you click Buy or Sell. You only need to fill the amount of asset you're willing to buy or sell. Limit orders are used to specify a maximum or minimum price the trader is willing to buy or sell at. Traders use this order type to improve their entry-exit price. However, they do not guarantee execution, as there is a chance the market may not reach the limit order level. To place a limit buy order, the price must be lower than the current market price. Otherwise, the order will be executed at the market, that is, immediately. Accordingly, for placing a limit order to sell, the price must be higher than the current price. A stop order is an order to buy or sell an asset once the price reaches a specified price, known as the stop price. When the stop price is reached, a stop order becomes a market order. A buy stop order is always placed above the market price, and a sell stop order is placed below the market price. OCO. One cancels the other order. These are two orders opened simultaneously for one position. In the case of the triggering of one order, for example, stop, the second, for example, limit, is automatically canceled. Margin impact automatically calculates the amount of funds required to open a position, taking into account the parameters that you specify. If the amount of an available margin on your trading account is less than the required amount to open a trade, the order will be rejected. Once you are ready to place an order, click Send Order. Your order has been successfully placed and can be seen in the Orders widget. You can also change the parameters of any placed order, or even cancel it before it gets executed. In the Positions widget, you can see all your current open positions. In the PL column, the current profit or loss is displayed. You can customize columns as per your personal needs. To close the position, simply click the cross at the end of the open position row, or right-click on a position you're willing to close and click Close. You can find the detailed trading history in the Trading History tab of the trading platform.